Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your iPhone cannot be backed up. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that you cannot get backup of your iPhone or iPad, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to double check your network connection because these type issues mostly held with the low or unstable network connections. So you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, or you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings, and after that go to your settings app here, go for general, go for VPN device management. I have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And after that, you can also try to update your software. So go for software updates, and you have to try to update your software. And after doing that, you just have to go back from here and then tap on your Apple ID. And now you have to select your iCloud, and you have to check if you have enough storage with your iCloud. Select iCloud from here, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iCloud, or if you don't have enough storage, so you can try to delete anything or try to get more storage with your iCloud. So once you have done, you just have to go back from here, and after that, you just have to select the backup option from here. So simply select the iCloud option here again, then select iCloud backup. Now you have need to make sure that you have enabled this toggle backup this iPhone, or if you have already enabled, so you can try to disable it first and then enable it again. So it will take almost 5 to 10 seconds to disable it, and after that enable it again. And once you have enabled, you have to wait for it until it's turned on. And once the option has been turned on, you just have to select the backup now option. Simply tap on that, and your iPhone will be started backup. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue, or if you're still having the same issue, so you have a simple method. You have to make a force restart your iPhone to fix some possible glitches on your iPhone. So you cannot do that. You have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed, and now you can easily get backup of your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.